Excellency, can I just ask you about GRC?
Just technical committee's meeting last day is held and...
I wasn't at it, so I think better to ask the Ministry of Water Resources. But as I had promised you a few months ago, that this was part of the process of moving ahead, not just for the meeting, but also on the rivers, the 7 rivers that we had been talking about for some time, including the Malpashara, the Feni. This is water sharing one, sir.
Actually, I'm not to discuss course. Actually, diplomatic protocol for a mistake, but informally we have discussed about this because it belongs to my ministry, that DGLR. So we have discussed about this. An Excellency has assured me that we will take up the matter with the external affairs and we will look into to make this resolve as quick as possible. They are also very keen. Upstream and downstream. So hopefully Excellency will take up the issue.
So this meeting has been promised and it's happened now. So we need to now move forward on the higher levels of meeting.
Higher level. Daily to
GRC will help in January 3rd week or...
But that depends on the convenience of the ministers. But we want the secretaries to meet soon now. So that was the next target.
Mr. High Commissioner, regarding the vaccine issue, some confusion have arisen already. You posted in your Twitter already, and you tell Labour first. But can you please clear that all over?
But I don't. Well, thank you for asking. Of course, let me say again, I didn't come here to discuss vaccines with His Excellency the Minister. I came here to discuss, as part of the effort to connect with as many government departments as possible and expand our very vital cooperation. This is a very important ministry for us. A lot of issues that we work together on come to His Excellency the Minister's to his desk. So his support and his senior officers' support is very important for us. Having said that, on the question that you asked, Urmi, the point here is, I don't know how much more we can clarify it. Our health secretary said it in public yesterday that in anything that involves restrictions on supply, there are 3 ministries involved: Health Ministry, Commerce Ministry and Pharmaceuticals Ministry in India. Not one of them has said any such thing about a ban on exports. Nobody said a ban on exports. Now I don't know why this picked up like this, but I can tell you that we have said repeatedly that our Prime Minister has said that our vaccine capacity will be used for humanity, and our priority for us, for India, apart from our own people, obviously, is our neighborhood. So beyond that, I don't know what more reassurance we can give. The rest of it, how many vaccines come, what day they reach, this is not a matter that I can control or anybody can control. It's a matter of fundamentally simple production. How much the company can produce, how much it is able to supply. There are multiple companies that are now going to be producing vaccines. The vaccine production process has just started now that it has been given the emergency use certification. There is nothing in it that says that there will be immediately hundreds of thousands of doses ready to be distributed, because nobody produces like that. They wait for clearances to come, then they start producing, because it's a sensitive product. Nobody will keep stocks of it just like that. So to clarify again, and I don't know how many other words I can clarify it in, there is no restriction that has been applied on the export by the government of India. The clearance that was given was an emergency use clearance. That's all that there is to it so far.
But can you just ensure that when India government of India, so people will take this vaccine, and at the same time Bangladesh will get the vaccine?
I don't know how to answer that. The point is, our leadership has said, let the vaccine production commence and let there be vaccine in supply. He has committed to give, the company has committed to give it to the government of India, and he's committed to sell it to the people whom he has promised. Let them work out the production and distribution specifications. We've all waited since March of 2020 for some positive news on this terrible pandemic. I understand the concern, but I assure friends here that everybody is equally desperate for the vaccine. There's no desire to keep anybody away from it. There will be a process by which you will identify priority people, we will identify priority people. Nepal will identify priority people. Bhutan will do the same. Maldives will do the same. Everybody will work to get the vaccine at the fastest possible. But I can't tell you when it will come because I also don't know when even we will get it in our own country.
But we are hopeful, hopefully, inshallah.
Inshallah, at the
by
earliest.
end of Jan or beginning of February, you will have a better clarity actually
Absolutely.
in terms of supply and
Absolutely.
everything.
It's
That
just
is what we need actually, the clarification.
Absolutely.
Better clarity, I'm saying. So I'm sure end of January, first week of February, there will be a better clarity about the whole thing.
God willing, we will all be able to move fast with this. But I just don't want to give a specific date because it's not in my hands.
Actually, at this moment, it's really difficult to
Yeah.
name a specific date. But I'm sure they're on it.
Yes.
Your government is on it. We can see that.
Everybody is working very hard on this, and we assure our friends that the priority has been indicated that we will ensure that Bangladesh gets supplies.
By the way, happy New Year to all of you. Happy New Year. Excellency, you have to say English in our
Angrezi Novo
English Novo-
Correct. That's what my teacher told me. Whereas your Novo Varsho is in
Bangla.
now.
So what is the update regarding Bengali?
It's progressing. Now I can read, but slowly.
Okay.
So I try and read at least a few sentences every day from the Bangladeshi papers. I make a lot of mistakes still.
I think your wife will help you.
No.
She can.
She can, but wives
She
never
doesn't
help
want
her.
to help.
No, I don't want her to help.
Oh, okay, so you want to be on your own.
I'm scared.